let's make a video. Being indecisive is actually a big problem for me. Just picking anything is hard for me to pick, but I found a solution for myself. Just do it. Yeah, just go for it and hope for the best. Whatever you choose, you just accept it. If I have to decide what t-shirt should I wear, just pick whatever feels like it. Black, if it's, yeah, just go for the nearest thing. Just grab it and wear it. Don't focus on what people will think. Just accept the outcome and just do it. Pick what you feel and just go for it. And that's not very simple. That's not an easy fix for all indecisive questions. And let's pick an example. What should I let go? Now that's a big question. Should I let go of that or this? You have to pick only just one. For me, my experience, should I let go? Badminton or soccer? That's a big thing. And after careful consideration, I feel like quitting badminton. I'm a good badminton player and I just quit because I don't feel connected with the people around the badminton. And you're just gonna play one on one. There's no team coordination. So I had to pick soccer to socialize and have fun. Generally, just have fun. This video will be a flop, but I don't care. I'm just gonna make content to make myself better in the future. Just keep making content over and over until I become better in the future. And hello, future me, if you're watching. And goodbye. Let's go.